Hi guys, OMG, my favorite game. Wait, where am I? Oh. Ashite, darling. Ashite, darling. Ashite. Ano? Ha? Ha? Ano? Yan, kanina pa. OMG, ayoko makita mermaid ako. Kasi makita ng boy. Where is... Punta na lang ako sa loob. Oh, walang tao dito. Oh, mermaid ka! Maging tao ka kasi makikita ka ng boy. Who is there? Hey! Ow! Ouch! Why you do that? Nothing's here. Okay. Oh. I can... So guys, bye-bye. Pupunta ako. Oh no! Kicking mermaid ako. Oh no! Mermaid na naman ako. Paano pag nakita ng boy? Bye-bye guys. Oh my gosh. We can leave in the new game. Lagi siyang offline. Oh my gosh. Offline in the world. Gosh. Oh, 11 pa lang yung ano ko. That's my friend. Mingle. Mingle. Mingle, 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 mingle. Ano kaya ano ko? Ano to? Sprunky. So, we're gonna play Sprunky in Roblox only. What? Oh, what the? What is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh, what happened? I don't want sprung. What is this? Oh my gosh. What the? Let's leave. Ew. I don't want sprunky. Sprung. Wait a minute. I want this. Ponyland. My little pony, my little pony, my little pony. So, baka pony yung tao ko. Okay. My little pony. Oh my gosh. OMG. Okay. Start. Let's go. Oh my gosh. What? My little pony. My little pony. Skip. Ano kaya tao ko? Oh my gosh. What is this? I don't like that. I'm okay. I'm this. Okay. What happened to me? What the heck? Oh, okay. So I want a girl. Oh my gosh. Pampalit pa pala ng hair. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Wow. Wow. Robux. Robux pa talaga. Wow. I'm gonna buy this. My tail. Oh my gosh. That's my... Where is my hair? Yan na lang hair ko. Daming Robux. Why? This is my hair. My sparklies. My cutie marks. Ano ka? 148. My cutie marks. Ayoko yan ng cutie marks. Ha? 12. 49. Ay, 59. I like flowers, cutie marks. I like
Tagal
that
naman sa
flower.
akin.
230? Ano to? Ano to? Paint ng mga pony? Ano kaya gusto ko? Ito ba? No. How about this? Yeah.
Hindi bagay yung hair color.
Oy! May pangganyan lang din pala. Kalbo! Yan na lang best ko. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Oh,
Follow mo yung arrow.
sino yun? What the head?
Kilala ko siya.
Hello. I'm gonna talk to you. Thank you.
Ano yan? Ang kalat-kalat na yan. Di ba kayo kumain?
Tapos na ako makain si Kylie na
Hindi ba sila pa kumain kay
My house. Teleport to free house slot. Okay. Bro, my house. What the? Ang daming house. May popular dito. Popular. Oh my God.
Nasa harapan mo na.
Yung.
House mo.
Bibigit naman kayo pag
Oh my God.
Roblox yan?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Wala ko download. What the heck?
Go inside. Oh my gosh, oy. What the heck? Nabibidyo pa nga ako eh. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda talaga. Itong games. Pero, ang boring. Ay, ganyan yung loob. Ang ganda. Ang pangit na lakad. Klaseng lakad yan. So, akit muna ako sa taas. Yan yung where is my bed?
Look sa sky, Kylie. Look sa sky.
Ano?
Look ang ganda ba?
I'm gonna catalog. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna catalog. Ano yan? Catalog ba yan?
Ganda sa sky.
Yeah. I'm gonna catalog. Catalog. Da. Oh my gosh. There. It's so cutie mark. So, papayga natin para maganda. Puro si Jevin and Block.
Yan nga, or Jevin Block yan.
Mine. Si Sky. Love for you. Love for you. Oh, ang ingay. Pero ang ganda. Gusto ko sana yung tunog. Roblox.
Private surveillance.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck is that?
What? Hindi yan outfit ko.
Doon ka sa malayo para
Siya.
walang makakita sa'yo.
I know it. Most popular. Popular? Most popular. Ay, ba't siya nasay?
Natulak ni Sky si Jevin, tapos nakiss sila.
Oh my gosh, what happened to you? Ay. Oh! Ewan. What? No. Walang cute.
Ikaw dapat magawa ng Sky mo.
Where? Oh my gosh.
Favorite ko.
Oh my gosh. Ting! Ting, ting, ting! Ting, 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 ting! Ting,
Wala
ting,
ka.
ting, ting! Ting, 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 ting! Ting, 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 ting! So, wait lang guys. Gagawa tayo ng best. Best save.
Ano yung mga save mo?
Okay. Save. Okay. Isa lang?
Wala pa?
Oh my God. Ano kaya? Oh my gosh. Ayoko na lang. Mahanap ko ng pinaka-cute. Oh my gosh. Ate, look. Ding, 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 ding. Sprunked. Sprunked. Girl, guys, girl ba si Sky or boy?
Boy!
Kasing dami nag-girl dito, parang girl si Sky. Diba? Yung mga hair. Ting, ning, 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 ning. Anong outfit mo doon?
Nag-like sa'yo.
Ay, sorry. Be.
Boring na ako.
So, guys. Ayoko na. Gusto ko lang sound. Ate, paano walang sound? Ha? Pag ikaw lang mag-isa, may sound ba?
Wala. Ay, iya.
Why? So, girl. Ito na lang. Next. Hindi ko ba't ganyan yung ulo? Back. Ng ko green. It's okay. Gusto ko mapayat konti. Saan yung pang payat konti? Ay. Ay, ito. Payat konti. Finish. Oh my gosh, galit ka ba sa akin? Problem. Do just not my problem. Problem. That's just so, guys. Mag-ano na ako. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna. Oh, what is this? Hey. Ew, I don't want it. I'm sorry. Pag totoo lang maganda. What is that? Try. So beautiful. I'm gonna pick that. So, clothing. I'm gonna choose this. Classic pants. Pants lang. Don't you know the song? Ow, ow. It's really bro. Don't you know? Ba't na ganyan? Ganyan yung kamay.